Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious and very tasty lobster tails curry. I'm going to use wild caught lobster tail. This is 2-pound bag and I'm going to use 1 pound. 1 onion, you can use any color, I'm using yellow color. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, salt, cumin seed, jeera, half teaspoon each, turmeric powder, haldi, quarter teaspoon, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 3 whole green Thai hot chili, cilantro, dhania, coriander leaves, half cup water, and if you need more running gravy, you always can add more. 7-ounce tomato sauce, and I'm using organic tomato sauce. This is 15-ounce can, and I'm using half of it. These are the spices I'm going to grind it. 2 bay leaves, salt, fennel seed, 1 teaspoon, 6 cloves, half teaspoon black peppercorn, half teaspoon fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and 2 Kashmiri mirch. You can skip this whole part. You can use a garam masala, like 1 teaspoon. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to put it into the processor. I'll place the Kashmiri mirch, bay leaves. So we're going to grind it. It's all done. We'll open it. And this is going to be our garam masala. So this is our garam masala and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. You can use the store-bought garam masala. And let's start making our delicious lobster tails curry. Get a cry, kill it, or walk. I'm going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high. Bring olive oil. Bring jeera. We're going to cook like 10 seconds and this is good enough. Bring ginger garlic paste. It's always a good idea if you have string splatter, then you cover it. The camera don't get dirty and the counter don't get dirty. So we're going to cook like 20 seconds and we're going to bring onion, mix it well, and we're going to cook our onion until they get transparent. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are translucent, and now I'm going to bring the gas to medium and I'll bring the spices. Turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, homemade garam masala. Mix it well, and we're going to cook all the masala with our tadka for half minute. Cooking our spices along with tadka for half minute. Now I'm going to bring the tomato sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and we're going to cook on medium gas for 3 minutes. Cooking our spices with tomato sauce for 3 minutes. And mix it well. All the spices are nicely cooked and if you can see, the oil start to dissolve. Now I'm going to bring lobster tail. Mix it well. On medium gas, we're going to cook like 2 minutes. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring the 3 green chilies. These chilies are really hot and the whole reason I keep it separate so you can pull it off. If you're eating hot food, then there is no worry. You can cut them into small pieces. After mixing it well, on medium gas, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes with the cover lid. Mix it. Lobster tails don't take that long to cook. They already start turning in a white color. So they are pretty much cooked. Now I'm going to bring half cup water and I'm going to put it into the tomato sauce cup. Mix it. So once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes on medium low gas. Mix it. This is a perfect running gravy. This is all I want. If you want a running gravy, you can add more water. And I'm going to bring cilantro. Mix it well. Our delicious tasty lobster curry is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at this. Super tasty, delicious lobster curry. If you haven't tried, please try. Let me share with you. Lobster tails curry is very tasty and very delicious. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, naan, fulka, paratha, and best of all, with rice flour. Please try this lobster tail curry in Indian Punjabi style and you're going to love it. And please comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share this video. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, easy steps cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.